Hey guys, Richard here. Yeah, so let's see. Saturday morning. Pretty nice out. Overcast skies though. It's gonna rain a little bit later. And me and Toby and Jack the cat. Yeah, Jack. Oh, and Stanley, can't forget Stanley up there. Are hanging out here in the garage trying to figure out our day. Yeah. Not sure what we're going to do. I was expecting rain this morning. It's supposed to rain all day today, but then it didn't rain. And, well, look at this. Huh. Apparently we left this powered on last night. I guess it doesn't automatically time out. There we go. Anyway, we were expecting it to rain, and it's not raining, so we're going to just hang out here and maybe go for a ride in a little bit. No, you be nice. You be nice. Dead the puppy. Hey, good morning. You be nice, dead the puppy. Yeah. Yours too today. No. Don't bark now. So yeah, anyway, so that's it. We've got we maybe do a ride this morning. Amanda's going to learn how to do some video editing today. We recorded 2 videos yesterday, and we need to get those edited. And so today's her day to learn how to do some editing. So we're going to knock that out. And let's see here. What else is happening? Had someone come and take a look at the eBike. They decided it wasn't the best choice for them. That's all right. No problems there. Still trying to get that sold for Joe. I've got the Emma Roll Road up for sale now. Yeah, kind of a hard decision, but it just needed to go. Nobody in our family cares for it. It's a nice bike, but our personal preference is nobody cares for this moped style, and so it's got to go. This is going to go up for sale. I might get that up for sale today because Amanda just completed the review video. That's one of the videos that's got to get edited, so that'll be up for sale. So we're trying to clear out some things here. Yeah, trying to clear out some things. The King Bull over there. Well, I had it for sale, then it's not for sale because it's broke, and I got to do some repairs on it, and having some trouble with it, and so it's not a priority, but we'll get back to that. Yeah, but pretty soon, you know what, pretty soon we're going to have more trikes than bikes. I think we have 16 in the garage right now, total bikes and trikes. But 5 of those are trikes, and that takes up a lot of space. But guys, we got another trike on the way. I'm not sure if I hinted at that yet or not in another video. Yep, got another trike on the way. In fact, it's already been shipped. But it's kind of special, so I don't know that I want to tell you what it is yet until it gets here. You know, typically after I get shipping notification, I share it with you, but I don't know. Should I? Hey, it's a trike that was requested by a couple of folks in the past, saying, hey, you should check out this trike. Yeah, all right, I'll spill the beans. It's the 630 rickshaw. Yeah, buddy. Dustin over there at 630 reached out to me and said, you know, Richard, how would you like to take a look at this? And I said, oh, heck yeah, would love to. So I'm excited about it because the rickshaw trike is one that has a passenger seat in the rear. Okay, so it's a trike, and then where the basket would normally go, there's a bench seat here. And it can carry up to 500 pounds, so you can easily ride 2 large adults on it. Excited about that. Very excited about that. Because on days that Mrs. Adventure, maybe she doesn't feel like going and pedaling in her Moon Cool over there. Well, you know what? She can go for a ride with me, and she can just ride in the bench seat, and I'll pedal her around. And so it's going to be great for things like that. It's going to be outstanding for things like that. I think something like that is badly needed. So, yeah, excited about that. Well, Jack, you're going to get brave and explore. He's not an outdoor cat, so he approaches the outdoors very carefully the few times that he's been out. So, yep, looking forward to that. That's the only other bike that's due inbound right now, and I'm fine with that. I would like to keep it that way for a while because that's going to allow Amanda and I to do some other things. We got other videos planned we want to do, so be watching for that. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe because we're going to be talking more about the electric X-Peak. We're going to be doing some comparison videos with that mountain style e-bike with a few other mountain style e-bikes and letting you know what we think. We got some maintenance that we need to get done. We got just some how-to videos. We're going to produce a video soon about how to ride a trike, how to safely do it for those who are new to trikes. Oh my goodness, some of the videos top of my head, I can't remember them all. So yeah, good things in store for the channel here. So make sure you stick around for that. Plenty of good content coming out, along with some more riding videos. And I think today's riding video, since the rain held off, I think I'm going to dig out. We're going to dig out a couple of trikes, Amanda and I, and we're just going to go for a trike ride. And we may even ask my buddy Ron if he wants to go, because he's got the Franken trike, right? So maybe we'll see if he wants to go out with us this morning and before the rains hit and take the Franken trike out. Yeah, I think that'll be fun. So more riding videos with trikes and friends will be forthcoming here real soon in the near future, so be watching for those as well. Hey guys, we have content for everyone, so sometimes we just chit chat here in the garage, we piddle around, we do things, we do bike reviews, we do accessory reviews. Oh, I recorded an accessory review yesterday too. That's going to be released on the 20th. I'll give you a sneak peek. Yeah, I'll give you a sneak peek now. I'm not supposed to, but it's close enough. Accessory review, there's a brand new product on the market called the Bicycle, it's a Cube Pro Max. It's a bicycle tire inflator by Cyc Plus, and it's a tiny little inflator, and so it's been working well for us. We've been using it for about 2 months. So we do those kind of reviews. Well, let's see, what else we do? I already mentioned maintenance tips. We do riding videos. We do group rides with friends. So yeah, we do all kinds of fun things here on the channel. So if you're new, stick around. If there's something you don't care for, don't unsubscribe. Just simply click off that video, go find something else to watch. But come on back and join us again for another video soon. There goes Toby. He's going to go find his spot under the truck. That's where he likes to hang out. Yeah. As he grumps when he lays down. That's it, guys. You guys have a good day. Ride safe.